What up, guys? Today we're starting the video in a different place than usual. I don't know if y'all can hear me properly, but gotta just eat some breakfast and I'm gonna go grab a oil cooler. We're waiting on the other parts, but the guy that I'm buying these parts off of is slacking. So until then, let's just enjoy this breakfast alone with my Supra, and let's go pick up the part and hopefully install it in this video too, man. Also, I want to show you guys, man, my Dunkin' order right here. Look, this is what I get. Put you guys on real quick. And then nice everything bagel, extra toasted with cream cheese. Oh, nah, not make a mess. I don't really. Wow. I don't know if y'all saw that bite, but up, guys? Finally got one of the parts, which is the oil cooler. This is it right here. It's basically a OEM slash upgraded one. I don't know too much about it, but this is the first piece. I was supposed to get the heat exchanger and the trans cooler, but the guy that I'm buying all these parts off of, he's a little busy right now. He doesn't know if it came in the mail yet. But yeah, like I was saying before, this camera just shut off completely. I don't know if I should install this oil cooler right now alone and make this video just me installing the oil cooler, but I really want to just install this, the heat exchanger and the trans cooler all together, because if I get that whole front end completely off, every single piece of those, I feel like it would be easier to just install each thing one by one, like the heat exchanger, trans cooler, and then right there is going to be on the bottom the engine cooler. But we'll see, man. If he doesn't hit me up soon to like actually finish the rest of this off, then I guess I just upload this video and install this, or maybe don't even install this and just upload this video like that. Who knows? It'll be like a filler episode, you know. But I don't want to do that. I want it to be like some sort of value in this video, so just keep it pushing. We'll see when I pick this back up. Let's see what happens. What up, chat? I know I haven't done anything so far in this vlog. Honestly, I've just been chilling. About to fill up gas right now. I couldn't find E at my usual spot. I came over here. But yeah, honestly, I don't think in this video that I'm gonna be doing any install. I have the oil cooler still right here in my car. But you never know. I don't think so. I think I'm just gonna upload this video the way it is right now. Get some POV drives of my Supra. And then I think throughout the week, if I do get all the rest of the parts, I'll do the install. If not, next week's video 100% will be the video where I install a heat exchanger, trans cooler, and oil cooler. And then yeah, other than that, let's fill up gas. What up, chat? Since we're on this filler series of the what up, chat? Since we're on the filler series, what up, chat? Since we're on the filler episode of the rebuild series, my daily has been throwing some problems, throwing some codes. But the good thing is I got this Innova 5610. And the best thing about these scanners, once you purchase them one time, they're not like the other scanners in the market. You don't have to pay for the scanner after that. There's no service charges or anything like that. There's live updates. These scanners, what I need it for today is to check the TPMS sensor on this car. But this scanner is the best because it also gives you live updates. It scans for all the SRS, TPMS, any other faults in the car. So right now we're about to get into it. So right here, I'm gonna show you guys how to use this. You plug it in right here, and just like that, look at this. Scanner just turns on. Takes a couple of seconds just for it to like reboot. And now it's just gonna detect the protocols. Bro, what other scanner in this market is gonna give you these live readings? Look at this. It tells you the PSI of each tire. Damn, that one's low-key low. It tells you the pressure and everything. Look how much PSI it's holding. These scanners are much faster than any other scanners in the market. The best part about this scanner is if you hit the link down below, you could get this scanner for $200 off. Innova usually doesn't do sales, but right now they're running a big sale. Hit the link down below to get one while supplies last.